W says, Roha, it's all good. Oh, wait.
She says, do you? Do you suggest
Oh, no,
carrying
it's a
certain?
few more before that. Hold on. You go down one more.
No, that was just that was
Okay.
yeah.
Lori W says, go down. Lori
No,
says, it's
then it
all
says,
good.
do you? This next one from Stephanie. Do you suggest carrying certain items as protection to signings?
Oh, we talk about that a lot, actually. So, yes, I tell people don't be taking no gun in nobody's house. So, for Jeffrey and I, he's a big guy, so I don't be worried too much. But I do have a mace in my bag. Don't know how to use it. We've never actually encountered anything.
No, but if you're by yourself, whatever, whomever, you wanna, if you're gonna meet somebody, you want to meet at a public place if you feel more comfortable, a parking lot, um, things like that. If you can, if you're going to someone's home, then it'd be probably good if you can take somebody with you. If you can, son or
Mm-hmm.
daughter, depends on the scenario,
Mm-hmm.
what kind of sign it is. If you get there, they can come outside.
Mm-hmm.
During the pandemic, that's what we did most of the time. We didn't go in, we rarely went into someone's house. They came outside, or we met them someplace. And that's how we do it now. So we'll ask, hey, you can come on outside if you want to, because they only have like one, depending if they just have one piece of paper or two,
Mm-hmm.
and we've got it set up. And we, in our supply list, we got a little table and stuff like that you can use depending on your vehicle and set up so that you can stamp and go. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Which is free. You can get the notary supply list at notaryeducators.com under resources. And there are several tip sheets you might want to look into getting also to get started. Go down a little bit, Joe.
It's just from the.
A little bit more. There's one more. A couple more tips on safety really quick too is always let somebody know where you are. If you can't take someone with you, because Jeffrey, like I said, he does his full time with me, so typically he's with me. If I go by myself though, and anybody, I always say let people know where you are. Just to shoot somebody a little text, or we talked about this last week. I think it was, there are different apps now. You can pin where you are and just say, hey, I'm at a notary signing here. I should be out within this amount of time. If not, check on me. Or signing companies too. That's why we always say don't change your appointment time, because they know where you are. So if you don't turn back that report after that signing in about an hour, a lot could happen within an hour. That's why I still tell a family member. But if you don't report back to the signing company, typically in an hour or so after the signing, they're like, where are you? Are you okay? So that's another form of being protected. Someone knows where you are. And then again, let your own family or friends know. Just have somebody. They don't have to know all your business, how much you make, what you're doing. But hey, I'm going over here. Most of your family will know you're a notary. And just let them know, hey, I'm going to a signing. I'm at this location is another tip that we use. Just one more that I really love. I don't like to sit with my back or where I cannot get out easily. I'm looking for my exits when I go in someone's home. Even with Jeffrey and myself. And I do that for dog reasons too. Y'all know I'm scared of dogs. So I don't like to sit where I cannot get out. Or sometimes with dogs, if I know they have a dog in the home, I'll try to sit where it cannot get to me easily if it gets out, because that has happened before. You want to get to the last couple? We got about 4 minutes. What
Maria
Maria say?
says that she's starting, and Yelp is
What
working
about
for
the
her.
sheet? You skipping what
She
she
says, thanks for all you share. Mm-hmm.
You got to read it because of people on the podcast.
Yeah, it says,
They
thanks for
can't
all you
read the
share.
comments.
I'm starting the Yelp and started, and Yelp is working for me.
And I never had success with Yelp. And I always teach my students to be very careful with Yelp. Because once you get in Yelp, you cannot get out. So I'm glad it's working for you. But typically, Yelp has not worked for me at all. I get 90% of my business from Google My Business and answer the telephone.
All right, so the next one is from Stephanie. She says, yes, Mace will work, but how do you practice using it?
I never did it before. That's what I told somebody. If I had to open it right now, I think you just pulled the pin out. But I never actually pulled it on nobody. So it's a turquoise mace thing in my bag. I think it's in the front of my bag. Because in my old bag, I had it on the side so I could easily get to it. But again, we never had that happen. Most of the time, like the person that told me about this business initially, I've been a notary off and on for 20 years. But the person that actually told me about the business was in Michigan. And she was like, Kim, most of the people don't even know what a notary is until they need one. So it's not like people sitting around saying, let me go rob the notary, unless you're crooks and trying to steal somebody's property. Then they know what a notary is. But your average general notary call, they don't know. They don't know. So, and just be cautious. We talked about this the other day too. You don't want to be, and again, for my men folk and my women folk, when you go out dressed, go out covered up. On reality TV, yeah, they breath hanging all out, but in real life, don't go out to nobody's house looking like that. Sometimes we can invite a situation, be friendly, but not overly friendly. I've had that even happen with me because I'm super friendly. So you know how I do. Even with men, I'm like, hey, da 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 da. And we went to this car dealership, and this guy, he didn't know that I was married. Remember over there at Stonecrest?
Yeah.
And he was like, oh, you brought your husband.
Mm-hmm.
So he talking to me one way on the phone, and then he realized, oh, who is this? Or they'll joke when they see Jeffrey, because they have not normally said me and my husband coming. And sometimes I do that on purpose. But they'll talk to you differently. They'll try to flirt with you. And, so just be cautious, how we even interact with them. Keep it professional. Mr. Smith, Mrs. Smith, for when men go out by themselves. And, Jeffrey, I always tell him to make his presence known. If you were with us live about 3 days ago, we went to this house for something personal, but I was still recording. And I made my presence known that, hey, his wife is in the car. He's not at your door by himself, because I was supposed to go knock on the door. And I did not. He went. So, he's fully aware, of his size. He don't want to be intimidating to people. And Jeffrey is a soft walking giant, or however they put that, because he can creep up on you and you don't even know he there.
Yeah, I've had that. That's been all my life. I don't know. It's amazing. It happens. I'm just walking normal, and then people are jerk and say I'm standing right there next to him. So I have to try to say something.
Nah, you don't know he there.
But what I'm saying, they don't know until I'm like right next to him.
That's why I always tell him, make his presence known. Hey, hello, sir. Hi, ma'am. And be loud, because he's very soft spoken. So you see me and him, even the way we speak in here. Yeah. So some of what you see is just our interaction. Yeah. We've been married 32 years. Mm-hmm. So Jeff and I are friends before we got married. So, some of what you see, and it can be irritating when I cut him off, just going back to that a little bit. But this is just how we talk.
Yeah.
So, get these last comments.
S. Abdul Wali says, I just ordered a mace. Hopefully I never will have to use it.
Me too.
Yeah, hopefully no. So that'll be a story for real.
We don't want you to have to use no mace.
Look for a video from that one, right?
Right.
Maria says everything is great. I didn't want to be rude. The point of I understand everything are kind of really quick. Blessing for every one of you. No problem.
Oh yeah, girl. We don't take it personal.
Yeah, no problem.
Nah, we don't take it personal.
Yeah, no problem.
And you're not the first person to tell me that too. That I cut people off. But this is how we talk. But I'm working on that though, FYI. So I appreciate the feedback, seriously.
Stephanie Echoes Tune says yes. And my family has my location via our iPhone.
Yes, that's what we were saying earlier. So you might even have a location tool on your phone. Use it.
Yeah. And then Beauty is her name. Says Maria, love you so. Love you. You're okay. No need to explain. Kimmy didn't take it like that. Yeah, true. Yeah.
I am the most unserious person, like that kind of stuff. Anything, not back to that comment, but I'm just saying I'm not that sensitive. Look, it's not that complicated. I'm not that sensitive. And my mentees and family, notary family, they'll tell you, Miss Kimmy, like, you ain't raising her blood pressure. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for saying that. Beauty is her name. I appreciate it.
Yeah. So the next one here is from Maria again. She says, I couldn't finish Google profile yet. So
you got to get that going.
Straightened out so that you can have an online presence, because that way people will be able to find you.
That's your money maker. Yeah. You got to get that going. We do actually have a Google course, not to sell the mentorship, but we got you fully covered. We actually have a Google course and I have videos here too for free to take you step by step. But we actually have a Google course within the mentorship program, and you can buy that separately too if you need some help. You might have to reach out to Google. But you got to get that Google page going, every single person. Last two comments, because we're over time now. Yeah. Beauty is her name, and Sheena, what they say? She says,
Beauty is her name, LOL. I have heavy feet, okay. And then Sheena.
Me too. Tell her what I be doing in the house.
Yeah, she's stomping through the house. I can hear all of them like, what is going on? I'm down here. I could just see it going back and forth, back and forth. The floor is creaking and all kinds of stuff. What is she doing? So, I don't even say nothing now. So about a couple of hours because in the evening, you know, she's watching TV in one room, I'm in another room, so she's upstairs, I'm downstairs, and then now I said, what was going on? Well, I was running back and forth with the computer, so I'm like, now I don't even pay no attention. So,
I told y'all we complete opposites when it comes to certain stuff. Yeah. Get she in the comment. It's so many people joining us. Really quick, I'm gonna let Jeffrey go. We got a bunch of people just join. If y'all want to hang out for 2 more minutes, I'll get your questions while I'm here live, but you got to move fast. Yeah. We're going to tell Jeffrey thank you.
All right, folks. So we'll see you on the next go around. It's been like an hour. So, yeah. So, anywho, but more important, good to see you. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. And Kimmy's, you're going to...
I'll take a few more questions because we got so many people that just joined.
We got another appointment I got to get ready for.
Okay. All right, go ahead. Bye. Thank you.
Sayonara.
Okay, y'all got a few minutes because we got so many people that just joined. I will take your questions really quick.